I'm a bit confused. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be attempting to build a swing. I've actually taken it out of the box and just put everything on the bed. Don't watch the crazy wardrobe, it's literally things are just getting sorted out. But yeah, let's try and build this. I built the cot yesterday, or the travel cot, so let's try and build this. So this is the little seat bit. I'm not gonna lie, being pregnant, I felt I've been feeling so useless because can't build anything. I couldn't build my drawers. Oh, let me sit. Right, the carpet's made my knees dry, so you ain't gonna see them. But let's bring this down a notch. Useless because you can't do like you can't lift anything heavy. Big up all the people that do it alone, because if it wasn't for my brother, my stepdad, and my mum. So let's just see. Okay, I don't think this is okay. There is instructions. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm already looking at it like, let's just do this. It's actually easier if I put the parts down, because I'm a bit confused. Take one off. Oh, I've opened something, but I don't know what I've opened. Oh, it was that. Okay. Okay. Why is there so many instructions for something that looks so easy to build? It's the most hardest thing on earth. Woo! If this is correct, okay. Blue bit, that bit. Alright, that bit. Alright, and that's there. That's there. Oh gosh, no. Yeah, that's it. I think I did pretty well. That is so cute. And I'm a bit dramatic, but honestly, the beginning bit did look a bit mad on the pictures, can't lie to you. But I'll leave the link to this swing down below if anyone was interested in getting it. It actually is easy to build. I was just a bit nervous for some odd reason. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Be sure to see my next video. Bye.